Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your engine air filter on a 2014 Toyota 4Runner. The filter I'm using today is from our local O'Reilly. It's the MicroGuard air filter. MGA 49350 is our part number. And this is super easy to do and something you can do yourself, and it doesn't even require any tools. You see these clips right here on the side of the air filter or air box. There's another one right down over here. All you have to do is use your finger or your thumb and just pull these off. Just like that. And then the one in the back is right down over here. And then you should be able to carefully lift up. Don't pull it too hard because you don't want to put any stress on this tube here, but just enough to where you can reach in there and grab your filter and slide it out. Now this filter is a little unique in the sense that it's got this little felt preliminary filter, but this is definitely dirty and time to change. Now in order to make sure that our new filter stays cleaner longer, I'm going to also clean out the inside of this air box with a shop vac. We don't need to open it up all the way, just enough so that we can get that shop vac tube inside and clean it out. All right, now take a look at the new air filter. You can see it is much cleaner. There's a quick side-by-side for you. Definitely was time to change. All right, now we can drop the new filter in. Just gonna slide it in here from the edge and just make sure that it sits all the way inside. It's completely flush. And then we can drop the lid back down. Same thing, just make sure that that goes over it and seats there properly. And then we can just go around and put all these clips back on. 1, 2, 3, and the last one down here, 4. And that's it. You're done. Quick and easy job, and definitely something that you can do yourself and save some money. I know a lot of times if you go to an oil change place or even the dealer, you know, they'll tell you that you need a new air filter. Sometimes they'll even just pull it out and show it to you. And of course, you know, it will probably look dirty and probably is time to change, but it's definitely something you can do yourself. You can order it online or pick it up at your local parts store like I did today. It only takes a couple of minutes as you saw, and there's no tools or anything required. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up a replacement filter for your vehicle as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.